So this is flight number 1 with these iFLIGHT XINGs 2806.5 1300Kv. We're testing them with a 1100 mAh China Hobbyline 6S. It's 100C max for that battery. It doesn't weigh very much. It's like 250 grams, maybe 230 grams, something like that. So let's go test fly this. I haven't even hovered this thing yet, so cross your fingers, see what happens. Nervous.
Too low.
Damn, she's a big
You need throttle position anyway. You're gonna need it for when we do.
Damn, I can barely even see. How about now? Am I anywhere near us?
A little bit.
Oh, now I see us. It's a little disorientating.
Can you give it a blip when you flip that?
Holy f.
Is that full?
No. Twitch, what the f was that?
I think it would just be
Prop spool up.
yeah, that with the throttle down so fast and all that.
Engine off.
Thank you. I was nervous. I was trying to get to the grass there, or this little, it looked like grass in the OSD. Cool. Motors are ice cold, Sean. Yeah, that was pretty dope. Little battery. It was a good maiden. Oh, gonna take care of the buzzer. All right, now let's get a big battery, see what happens. This is a 3300 Pyro Flip or Pyro Drone long range battery pack. Let's see what happens, huh? You're gonna do it, you gotta do it. You can't think about it, you just gotta do it. Oh shit, I don't have my transmitter on.
Welcome to OpenTX. Engine off.
Heart attack. I'm having a heart attack right now. Holy f. Thank you, Gene. Woo! Maiden, second flight, went up a mountain, trusted the build. That's how it's done. Later, guys.